Anyway, I'm now going to read what you guys have to say in the chat room. Rob Alloy 4, thank you for noticing that I do deal with being super duper famous pretty well. Some of my favorite jokes are what's the difference between jokes. Chai Mike, I have something to tell you. I have never been to Chicago. Never, ever, ever, ever. Except I'm lying. I did go there once. What's the difference between a pickpocket and a voyeur? Well, a pickpocket wants to snatch your watch. Get it? What was she saying about koala bears? And I'm flipping a pencil. It's probably because I'm sexually repressed or something. What's the difference between a girl in church and a girl in a bathtub? Okay, I'll tell you. A girl in church has hope in her soul. Get it? Do you guys get it? But geese are vicious. Geese are, they're like satanic ducks. Mind Melt says, just tell the 404 guys that I want to hang out. I love the 404 guys. I need to go back on the 404 soon. Those guys they're really funny and they're really nice. What is the difference between a circus and a chorus line? Circus is an array of cunning stunts. Get it? Jimmy Aquino says, you're kind of famous yourself. Why, thank you for noticing. And you have famous friends. Guilty. And send me pictures of your pets, because I love that shit. Okay. Bye, you guys. Sleep well. I will now wait to see if anyone doesn't get it.